Hey Sierra Vista, we're going to be making eggs con chorizo. What you'll need is chorizo, eggs, vegetable oil, onion, tomato, and a cutting board and knife. First, you're going to add your oil to the pan. Then you're going to start chopping up your onions. Next, add your onions to the pan and let them saute. You're going to help them saute by stirring them around. Next, time to chop up your tomato. Now put those in the pan too and let them saute and stir them to help them saute. Next, you're going to take your chorizo. You're going to split the chorizo in half so it's easier when you slit down the middle to take off the skin. Do the same with each piece. Then go ahead and start chopping up your chorizo. Remember to keep sauteing your onion and tomato or else it's going to burn. Now go ahead and add in your chorizo. Now mash them around and move them around in the pan so they can fully cook through. Now go ahead and start adding your egg once your chorizo is fully cooked through. Now go ahead and start scrambling those eggs along with the chorizo like you would with normal eggs. Now go ahead and start serving them. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and add some cheese. I would recommend this. I would also recommend putting on some Mexican crema. Now go ahead and enjoy. Remember, the cheese and crema, they're optional. You don't have to. It's just as good without it. I hope you enjoy.